Welcome to Story Studio Loaded. Today there's something interesting for you with Rubik's Cube. Are you ready? Let's get into the video.
Pratik, can you solve with blindfolded some Rubik's Cube pattern?
Yes, I'll try to do. This is donut pattern. This is donut pattern.
Pratik, one challenge for you.
Yes, I'm ready to accept.
Can you make Rubik's Cube pattern with blindfold?
I'll try to do. Is this donut pattern?
Yeah, very good. Can you solve it back?
Sure. Is it solved?
Yes, very good.
Thank you.
Here is another challenge. Can you make it chessboard pattern?
Yes, sure. I'll try to do. Is it chessboard pattern?
Yes, very good.
Thank you.
Can you solve it back?
Sure. Is it solved?
Yes, very good.
Thank you.
Pratik, next challenge is you need to solve Rubik's Cube less than 30 seconds.
Yes, sure. I'll try to do.
I have shuffled it. Now you need to solve.
Okay,
I am
sure.
starting the timer.
Hmm.
Okay?
Okay.
Start. Wow, it is very good timing.
What is it?
21 seconds.
Wow, it's my best timing.
Pratik, next challenge for you is 2x2 Rubik's Cube. You need to solve less than 10 seconds.
Sure, I'll
Are you
try
ready?
to. Yes.
Start. Very nice.
How much time is it?
9 seconds.
Wow.
Pratik, this is the new challenge for you.
Yes, I'm ready to accept.
You need to solve both 2x2 and 3x3 Rubik's Cube less than 40 seconds.
Okay, I'll try to.
Okay, do it. Are you ready?
Yes.
Start. Oh, just you missed it. Very good, Pratik.
Thank you. I I'll try to do better next time.
Pratik, your challenge ends here. You did a great job.
Thank you, Dad. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye friends.